Welcome back everybody. My name is Steven Aldacco, and in today's video, we're going to teach you how you can make passive income with crypto while living in your van. One of the most common questions I get is, how do you make money while living in a van? Well, one way I supplement my income is that I use crypto to stake and make passive income. Now, there are centralized and decentralized ways to do this, and in today's video, we're going to go over both of them. We'll go over the pros and cons and how to use it. So let's jump into the video, and if you're not already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's do it. One last thing I want to mention is that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just going to give you tips and tricks on how it is possible, but whether or not it's a good idea, that's up to you. Always remember to do your own research. Okay, back to so for the purpose of today's video, we'll talk about cryptocurrencies in the top 10 list, which you can stake. I know there are a lot of options out there. There are a ton of cryptos, but we'll talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDC, or other coins similar to USDC, such as DAI or USDT, which are all stable coins pegged to the US dollar. Okay, so let's talk about Ethereum staking. You can stake Ethereum on any of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, BlockFi, and Binance are the ones that come to mind, and they all offer different rates. These exchanges have made it extremely easy to stake your crypto and earn passive income. If you stake your Ethereum on Coinbase, you'll earn 6% on that Ethereum. If you stake a stable coin such as DAI, you'll earn 2% interest on your investment. If you stake with BlockFi, you'll earn 5% on your Bitcoin and 4.5% on your Ethereum. If you stake with Binance and you're staking the Ethereum token, you'll earn anywhere from 5 to 20%, but that's all dependent on how many people are staking on the Ethereum network at any time, and has nothing to do with Binance and what they're doing. So it just depends. The more people that are staking Ethereum, the less rewards you'll earn, but you'll earn a minimum of 5. I can already see the comments now saying, don't trust these centralized exchanges, not your keys, not your coins. And trust me, I am totally with you guys. It's true that when you stake on exchanges, there is an inherent risk that you can lose your coins if the exchange gets hacked or if your account gets hacked into. So keep in mind that staking your cryptocurrencies is not exactly a foolproof, super safe way to earn passive income. So keep that in mind when you're making your decision to stake or not stake your cryptocurrencies, that there is the potential to lose them if you deposit them into exchanges. The positive side about staking with an exchange is that if you're someone like me who's constantly on the go, traveling from place to place and living inside their van, or just someone who does a lot of traveling for work, it might be a bit more difficult to run a validator node in a specific location, which always has to be connected to the internet. There are pros and cons with staking with exchanges, but for the sake of this video, trying to earn passive income while you're on the go, it's a great option. Okay, so we've talked about some of the centralized ways you can stake your cryptocurrencies. And like I said, there are potential risks by using these centralized exchanges because you don't have control over your private keys, which means you're giving your private keys to a third party, just like you would a traditional bank system. So you're trusting somebody else with your cryptocurrencies. These companies are massive now, and it's very unlikely that they'll rug pull or go insolvent, but you never know, something could happen, and this is where decentralized staking comes into play. So we're going to talk about a protocol called Rocket Pool. So Rocket Pool is a decentralized staking protocol for the Ethereum blockchain. Some of the benefits to using Rocket Pool's protocol is that you're allowed to maintain a hold of your private keys, which means you never have to give up control of your tokens to the Rocket Pool protocol. You can maintain a hold of them. Right now, Rocket Pool is just about to launch as of May 2021, and the percentage reward that you'll receive with Rocket Pool is anywhere between 5 and 10%, depending on how many validators are working on the Ethereum network. There are other protocols out there right now, but I don't really want to mention them. I think Rocket Pool is kind of the only option right now for decentralized staking with Ethereum. If you know of any other options, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll maybe take a dive and investigate those projects. So let's talk about how much you could potentially earn by staking your cryptos. Okay, so this is a website I love to use. It's called stakingrewards.com, and it kind of gives us an idea of how much we can potentially earn by staking crypto. So let's say, for example, we have $1,000 USD deposit into a cryptocurrency staking exchange such as Coinbase, Ethereum, or Kraken. So we'll change this to exchange staking, and let's say we're going to hold on to it for 5 years. Depending on the fluctuations of the market, I'm more of a long-term investor, so let's take a 5-year standpoint. So if you take $1,000 investment and you put it into one of these exchanges, so if you did this per month, you'll earn $5.64 or $68.68 per year, which doesn't seem like all that much. So that's if the price of Ethereum stayed at a stagnant rate. So let's take this here and let's change it to bullish. Let's say that the price is going to go up at least 50% in the next 5 years. Boom. Now our $1,000 investment is making us $100 a year. That's $8.47 a month. Not bad. Let's go to very bullish. Let's say the price doubles in 5 years. Now we're making $137 a year. Let's say moon, which is insane, probably won't happen, $755 per year, which is incredible for your initial $1,000 investments. It's always good to take a look at the contrarian views. So let's take a look at a bearish scenario where the price drops 25% in 5 years. So you're only earning $51. And if it goes super bearish, then you're only earning $34 per year. There are a lot of great new things happening with the cryptocurrency market, especially with the Ethereum and the launch of Ethereum 2.0 and the launch of EIP 1599. All of these things are going to make Ethereum a much more attractive asset to hold, and I, for one, am definitely bullish on Ethereum. So let's say you're not into staking Ethereum and you want to hold on to something like Bitcoin. Let's see how much we can earn staking our Bitcoin on something like BlockFi. Okay, so here we are over at the BlockFi website, and we're going to stake Bitcoin on the BlockFi website. And we're going to do the same 5-year term, and we're going to do the same $1,000 investment, which if you invest $1,000 into Bitcoin right now, you'll get 0.02 Bitcoin. And just in case you didn't know, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can invest $1,000 and you'll get a small portion of a Bitcoin. If you're newer to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is usually the gateway, or it used to be before Dogecoin. Bitcoin is usually the first step that people take when investing into cryptocurrencies. So we take the 0.02, we take it over 5 years, and you'll earn $79.64 per year on your $1,000 investment, or $398 over the course of 5 years. Let's say you've been a really diligent investor. You're putting $100, $200 a month, whatever you can afford, and now you've amassed $15,000. Let's see how much you can earn per month with $15,000. So you've amassed $15,000, and we're going to hang on to that for 5 years. And again, that's just set it and forget it. Here we go. So every month with your $15,000 investment, you are earning $82 completely passive income. No extra work is required for you. Your money is working for you 24 hours a day. And let's say a year goes by, now you have $16,000. Now it's 2 years, $17,000, all the way to 5 years, which you now have $20,000 from your $15,000 investment. Now, let's say Ethereum, the price just goes super crazy, like Dogecoin crazy, and it goes up 500%. Now, your $15,000 investment after 5 years is worth $45,000, and now you're earning $500 per month. $500. Think about all the gas you can spend, all the things you can do with $500 per month, and it's not going to cost you any extra work. Let's say the price of Ethereum goes absolutely parabolic, which is absolutely insane, highly unlikely, but here we go. So your $15,000 investment after 5 years is $70,000, and now you are earning $912 per month passively. So think long term, start early, start slow, and you might be on your way to earn $912 per month. Wow, that's impressive. So say you're somebody who doesn't like to take a lot of risk while investing. You can take something like USDT, which is essentially representative of a dollar, and the price doesn't change up or down. It'll always be $1. You can take that $1,000 investment, you can put it into BlockFi, and then it'll act as a crypto savings account. So every year, your $1,000 investment will actually earn you $112, as opposed to if you let it sit in a traditional bank account, which may earn 1% if you're lucky. You're going to net about $100 on your $1,000 investment if you hold it in BlockFi as opposed to a traditional banking account. Whew, that was a lot of information. I hope you guys found that video helpful and informative. This is a great way to earn passive income while you're on the road. I guess one of the downsides to this way of earning passive income, it requires you to have a little bit of capital up front to earn those passive rewards. So down below in the description of this video, I'll have links to all of these platforms, and those links are referral links. So if you use the Coinbase one, you'll earn $5 as a reward for signing up, and I'll also receive $5. If you use BlockFi, you'll receive $20, and I'll also receive $20, similar with Binance and similar with Kraken and all the other exchanges. If you have any other further questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So you guys take care and enjoy the view. Oh yeah.